she's standing there for. Get up, get on, get out of the door. You're playing cold music on the barroom floor, drowning your laughter and dead to the core. There's a dragon with matches that's loose on the town. Take a whole pail of water just to cool him down. Well, fire, fire on the mountain. Fire, fire on the mountain. Fire, fire on the mountain. Fire, fire on the mountain.
I may still be able
Almost
to catch
away, still you don't feel the heat.
planes or
It takes all you got just to stay on the
in
beat.
circles. They're gonna go, I think, reload.
You see, it's a living.
Pretty cool. They circled like 4 times. It was 4 of those water dump planes, and then 2 helicopters that keep going to about there, all the way to a little ponds or lakes that are over the other side of the mountain that direction, and then back and forth and back and forth. And then there's a drone that's like, finds out where the hot spots are, and he's way up in the air. It's kind of cool. I wish I'll see if I can get better video.